1949. MacDon began as Kilberry Industries Limited. Originating as an automotive servicing and parts center led by brothers John and Tom Kilberry, Kilberry Industries soon moved into producing agricultural equipment, specializing in mounted sprayers and other farm implements. In 1951, they produced one of North America's first self-propelled windrowers under the Grain Saver brand name. In 1971, a man from Nova Scotia, Canada, named Joe MacDonald, purchased Kilberry Industries Limited and became president and CEO. A family man with 4 sons, Joe had a background in Scottish culture, which he ingrained in the company branding. In 1975, Joe changed the name to MacDon Industries Limited. Continuing to specialize in self-propelled windrowers, MacDon begins to extend its reach into the United States, establishing a dealer network in 1986. With the advent of rubberized drapers, durability was less of an issue than it had been in the days of canvas drapers. Auger headers had been the industry standard for decades, but they were heavy, fed crop poorly, and had inherent seed loss. MacDon engineers recognized the potential. Taking a huge risk, MacDon decided to research and develop a draper header for combines, something that had never been done before. After years of prototyping and testing with U.S. custom harvesters like Jim Dybert.
It's like a hot rod to me, in that if you work with it and finesse with it, then it'll go out and it'll beat anybody.
In 1988, MacDon released the Harvest header, available in 30 and 36-foot sizes. November 1st, 1996, MacDon celebrated its 100,000th machine off the assembly line. A 9,300 self-propelled windrower. With MacDon's 960 and 970 series of draper headers excelling in wheat and cereals, there is a growing demand to see them perform in low-potted crops like soybeans. But their sheer size is a hindrance when cutting at ground level, often leading to missed crop or pushing dirt. Working closely with Bruce Nelson of Nelson Farms, South Dakota, a breakthrough is made. A draper header floating on springs with a 3-section flexing frame and a 2-section reel allows for a wide header to follow the contours of the ground without missing crop. And so the very first flex draper was born in 2004. A flexing header frame in combination with MacDon's new patented reel design gave MacDon products an edge over competitors' headers and reels. With better efficiency and yields, the flex draper quickly becomes MacDon's flagship product and receives model updates as the FD70 in 2007 and FD75 in 2013. And then FD1 in 2017 with the all-new MacDon 1 series windrowers, draper headers, and rotary disc headers. In 2018, Linamar Corporation purchases MacDon, adding it to the Linamar family of companies. The following year, MacDon releases its first ever corn header, the C Series. 2021, MacDon releases the FD2 Flex Draper, winning multiple awards. Since then, MacDon continues to grow every year, keeping up with the agricultural world's demands, designing and releasing new innovations in windrowers, draper and rotary disc headers, corn heads, flexing corn heads, and more. For over 75 years, MacDon has been a world leader in technology, innovation, and manufacturing of high-performance harvesting equipment. And we are proud to make equipment that helps farmers feed the world.